So, you have a brilliant idea, a spark of innovation that you believe can change the world, or at least carve out a successful niche for yourself. You're ready to leap into the exhilarating world of entrepreneurship. But before you start your business, before you invest your life savings, or quit your day job, there are 10 things you absolutely need to know. These aren't just helpful tips, they are foundational truths, the unwritten rules of the game that successful entrepreneurs often learn the hard way, through trial, error, and costly mistakes. But today, you don't have to repeat that history. We're about to distill years of experience from the front lines of business into one powerful session. If you're serious about not just starting, but building a truly profitable and sustainable business, then this is for you. Grab a coffee, find a comfortable spot, and prepare to absorb the 10 crucial lessons that can save you invaluable time, money, and years of potential frustration. Think of this as your strategic shortcut, a roadmap designed to navigate the challenges and accelerate your journey to success. We're going to cover everything from mindset and market research to finance and scaling, giving you the comprehensive overview you need to start strong and build an enterprise that lasts. Let's dive right in. Most people never start because they feel they're not ready. But here's the truth. No entrepreneur ever feels fully ready. Success comes from motion, not perfection. Start messy, start small, just start, and let your clarity grow through action. Your business will evolve, and that's a good thing. Facebook started as a college directory. Amazon sold only books. Your first version is just that, a version. What matters is not finding the perfect idea, but choosing one and improving it constantly. If you start purely for money, you will quit at the first obstacle. Business is a long game. You need a deeper reason. Freedom impact. A skill you love. A problem you want to solve. Money follows value. Focus on value first. Let's tackle a dangerous myth that sinks countless new businesses. Many beginners fall into the field of dreams trap, thinking, I'll build a great product and the customers will just show up. Let me be crystal clear, they won't. In today's crowded digital marketplace, hope is not a strategy. Your brilliant product will remain invisible without a deliberate plan to be seen. This is where marketing comes in. Think of it this way, marketing casts the net, bringing potential customers to your doorstep. Sales is the process of inviting them inside and closing the deal. Both are vital, but marketing always comes first. You don't need a massive budget or a fancy degree, but you must master the foundations. First, learn how to attract attention. This could be through creating valuable content, mastering SEO, or running targeted ads. Next, you must communicate value. Don't just list features. Tell a story about how your product solves a real problem. Then, focus on building trust with testimonials, case studies, and transparent communication. Finally, you need to convert that attention and trust into action. This means having clear calls to action and a seamless purchasing process. These 4 pillars, attention, value, trust, and conversion, are non-negotiable. Neglecting them is like building a powerful engine, but forgetting to add fuel. Marketing isn't just a department, it's the lifeblood of your business. Motivation will come and go. What separates winners from quitters is simple: consistency, even when you're tired, even when progress feels slow. Small daily actions, massive long-term results. It's not about doing everything today, it's about doing something every day. Most beginners create a product first, then try to find customers. Do the opposite, build an audience, ask them what they want, create it. It's faster, cheaper, and far more profitable. Platforms to build on: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, email list, blog. The audience is your ATM. Protect it, nourish it. Every entrepreneur fails. Many times. But successful ones don't see failure as defeat. They see it as feedback data, redirection, refinement. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is part of the process. You do not need a perfect website, a fancy logo, the latest equipment, expensive software. What you need is a simple offer, a simple funnel, a simple message, proof of demand. Keep your costs low, grow with your revenue. Entrepreneurship is lonely, but it doesn't have to be. Find mentors, coaches, or communities that challenge and support you. You will avoid mistakes, gain clarity, and stay accountable. Surround yourself with people who think bigger. Your environment shapes your success. Anyone can start a business. Very few stay long enough to succeed. Success requires patience, discipline, adaptability, long-term commitment. The ones who win aren't the most talented. They're the ones who didn't quit. So, there you have it. The 10 crucial pillars every new entrepreneur must understand before even thinking about launching their business. This isn't just a checklist, it's a foundational roadmap designed to help you navigate the turbulent, yet incredibly rewarding, waters of entrepreneurship. Remember, building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be highs and lows, moments of doubt, and moments of pure exhilaration. These principles are your compass, designed to keep you on the right path when things get tough. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 lessons resonated with you the most? Was it the importance of validating your idea, or perhaps the challenge of building a powerful brand? Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments below. I'm genuinely curious to know what you're thinking, and I make it a point to read and reply to every single comment. This is a community of builders, and your insights matter. If you found this guide valuable and you're serious about building a real profitable online business from the ground up, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button to let me know this content helps, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss what's next, and be sure to turn on all notifications. We're just getting started, and I have so much more to share with you on your journey to success.